So in this video I'm gonna tell you how you can get this Uncanny Automator Pro WordPress plugin in just $3.5 with lifetime update and license key activated. So this means once you purchase this you will get a lifetime update with it. So just fill your basic details. I'll show you the whole process how you can purchase this and how you can install this. Now you see this, our payment is done. Now you see this, we got our file. Just simply download it. Done. Now what you have to do, you have to click on plugins, add plugin. Now make sure you have installed the free version, you have installed and activated it. After it you have to install the pro version. Click on install now. Click on activate plugin. Now after you purchase the product you will immediately get the license key in your mail. There you have to just copy paste the license key. Now you see this, it's done. So go to dashboard and you can access all these features to see this. So I hope you like this video. If yes, then you can give this video a like and do subscribe this channel. So that's it. Thank you and bye bye.